Okay guys, so this is the Vevor 3-dock sliding, or 3-step sliding dock ladder. It arrived via Amazon. It's only, I believe it's $100 and change, $109. You can go to Vevor's website and you can grab it there too. But it came today. It comes with no instructions. I don't know, people are going to be like having all kinds of trouble figuring this thing out. Why does it come with no instructions, Vevor? I mean, so if somebody cuts their foot on something, you can't get sued? Is that what it is? But whatever. There are some things that I see here that they made changes to. Before we get into the assembly, I just want things that I noted right off the top. Initially, they said these were reinforced. Yeah, they changed the design to reinforce it that way. They do not add a bar underneath like they show. So this is just a bent piece of aluminum. Okay, I get it. The welds look like they were made by a bunch of kids. I mean, these welds suck. You know, dude, you can't fix it by grinding it and making it look pretty. Your weld sucks. All right, so when somebody grabs this and it breaks, your weld sucks. So let's get that through your head immediately. All right, so the rest of it, put them together. I put the black caps up. It's open or closed. I don't know why they have this set up like this, but I'm already figuring out a few things as I go along here. I put the caps up. Why? Rainwater, and when you lift it out of the water, the open holes drain, and also on the main supports. They did something similar, but it's opposite, so I don't even know if that's right or wrong. But I figure when you lift it up, let the water drain out. The side brackets you mount low. Nothing goes on the upper except your pole that holds your top bracket in. They give you 2 different length screws. You want the longer for the bracketing. The longer for the lower bracketing, and the shorter for the upper. So keep in mind when you look at those 4 screws, that's what you're looking for, longer and shorter. I had one extra long one, so I had 3 of 4. So I just put it here in the handle where it's not going to matter. The tops, I put these here. There are also drill outs on the bottom for this as well. So when I'm looking at this, I'm saying, okay, well, I could put them on the bottom. Maybe it's not long enough, so I'm just going to put them on the top. And what this is going to do when your dock is holding this, it'll allow you to slide it out of the water. So yeah, it slides. It's not really pretty, but it'll do the job. Overall, if I had to give it a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it a 6.